Sa temang breaking news, breaking limits, ipinakita ng mga student journalist ng Mangaldan National High School sa ilalim ng special program in journalism na hindi natatapos sa pagsulat ng kwento, pagbabalita at pagbabahagi ng kaalaman ang kaya nilang gawin. Sa naganap na SPJ Festival of Talents ng Mangaldan National High School kahapon, February 25, ibinida ng mga grade 7 hanggang grade 10 young journalist ang kanilang mga talento sa paggawa ng info ads, infomercial, role-playing, singing, dancing at nagkaroon din ng Search for Mr. and Miss SPJ na mas nagpagalak sa mga manunood. Napuno ng saya at kaalaman ang naturang programa na nakasentro sa paglilinang ng angking talento ng mga estudyante na paraan din upang mas mapabuti pa ang kanilang camaraderie at communication skills.
SPJ Festival of Talents is annually conducted to enhance the journalism skills of our students with the different contests like the TV ads making, the commercial making, and of course, aside from that, because we get away from boredom of writing, reporting, etc., we also need to enjoy by singing, dancing, acting. And this is also an avenue, an opportunity for all of us to develop camaraderie, strong friendship, strong relationship among teachers and students.
Dagdag pa ni Ma'am Cynthia, ang temang breaking news, breaking limits ay naaayon din sa pagiging competitive ng mga student journalist ng Mangaldan High.
Breaking news, breaking limits, because there are a lot of things to share about our SPJ program. And breaking limits because we are trying our best to perform to the fullest. To perform as best as we can, to be recognized not just in the division, but also in the regional contest and national contest as well.
Sa ngayon, isa ang Mangaldan National High School sa mga paaralang patuloy na nakasuporta sa mga estudyanteng nagnanais maging journalist sa pamamagitan ng patuloy na pagsasagawa ng mga programang makatutulong sa kanilang self-growth through skills trainings, seminars, and programs. Yan ang ating good news. Ako po si Idol Maya, Tatak IFM.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News.